Thinking of landing an easy work-from-home job as a Netflix content reviewer? Sounds like a dream, right? That's exactly what sidereward.com is selling, the promise of reviewing Netflix shows and getting paid for it. But before you rush to sign up, we took a deep dive into their bold claims and found some serious red flags you need to know about. First off, despite the flashy language and Netflix logos, there is absolutely no official partnership between sidereward.com and Netflix. In fact, when you try to explore the so-called reviewing tasks, the site simply redirects you to unrelated third-party offers. There's no actual reviewing work involved. We looked into their domain registration and discovered the site was only created on January 2025, which makes it extremely new and suspicious. There's also no company background, no customer support, and no contact information, all of which are typical signs of a shady operation. When compared to other known scam sites like flickreviewers.com and demirjob.com, sidereward.com follows the same pattern: eye-catching offers, vague promises, and no real service. The website structure is bare bones, the trust score is very low, and there's zero online presence, no user reviews, no mentions on trusted forums, nothing. While it doesn't directly ask for money up front, it seems more like a data harvesting scheme designed to collect emails or push affiliate offers. So, is sidereward.com a legit opportunity or just another clever scam? Based on what we found, it's not worth your time, attention, or personal information. Stay sharp and always research before signing up for offers that sound too good to be true, because most of the time they are.